Welcome to another edition of the Story Behind the Car, and I'm in Sioux City, Iowa, and this is another building, and this is Jensen's Classic Cars. I've been through one building, and this is the second building, and then there's a third building that I'll go in here in a minute, but they have a variety of vehicles, and this Ford has got a 390. And I love the color combination. And I don't remember what they called this interior, but that was definitely a unique interior. I'm sure someone can leave us a comment below. But with the seats, the way you can see it in the back seat as well. Really, really nice. Then the vinyl top looks like maybe a 67, 66, 67. Cyclone GT. This has got to be a rare car. Not sure about the side mirror though. American Racing wheels. That hood is definitely unique. Hideaway headlights. And those mirrors might be correct. And it's got the seat belt tucked up here. So that's probably a 69, maybe a 70, but probably a 69. Three tail lights. Thunderbird. Unfortunately, it's got that plastic cover. And a Dodge. I do want to show Custer, South Dakota. That's kind of cool. So in the other video, I showed a Chrysler dash, much more ornate, roughly about the same year. And I would say this is probably the Dodge Airflow, and the other one was a Chrysler Airflow. So I don't recall what years those were. They were mid-30s, but you can see that profile. And I remember early movie, they drove one off like maybe a 12, 14, 15 foot embankment or steep drop off, and it went over and then rolled on the top, landed on the tires. You can probably find it on YouTube. Very unique design. Good looking Galaxy 500, maybe a 60, about to say 63, but I don't know enough about those. 62, 63 maybe. And we got a Pontiac here in the corner. Grand Prix. Four-door Bel Air. I was about to say a Tornado, but I believe that's a Cadillac. Look at that, the turn indicators. Yep, that is a Cadillac. So this would be a Cadillac Eldorado, which would be front wheel drive as well, I believe. So it was similar to the Oldsmobile Tornado, but the Cadillac Eldorado. Look at how beautiful that is. Wow. That is slick. So a Volkswagen Phaeton, and then a Bentley, and a Maserati. And we have one more building to walk through, and I probably have outstayed my welcome, but I'll walk through the other one real quick. Check on the next video. Thanks again. Comments, questions, leave them below. Catch you on the next video. Please like and subscribe.